exploring the meaning of pork out, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and somewhat quirky phrase in the English language, pork out. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and vivid English expressions can be. So, if you're ready to expand your vocabulary and understand more about English idioms, stay tuned. The phrase, pork out, is an informal idiom in English. It means to eat a lot of food, usually in a way that is excessive or indulgent. Think of it as eating more than what is normally considered enough. It's often used in casual settings among friends or family. Example, after the exam, we decided to pork out at the pizza place. It's interesting to note where this phrase comes from. The word pork in pork out refers to the meat from a pig, which is often associated with abundance and richness in many cultures. Over time, the term evolved to imply indulging in an excessive amount of food, not just pork. When using pork out, it's important to know that it's very informal and should be used in relaxed, casual conversations. It's not appropriate for formal contexts. You might use it when talking about a big meal or a feast. Example, I can't wait for the Thanksgiving dinner. I'm ready to pork out. There are several similar expressions in English. For example, pig out is another common phrase with the same meaning. Understanding these variations can help you grasp the nuances of English idioms better. I hope this video has been fun and informative, and that you now feel more comfortable using and understanding the phrase, pork out. Remember, exploring idioms like this is a great way to sound more natural in English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.